back from the channel Brainy Bunnies. Do you know why do we yawn? Yawning happens because your brain is trying to cool down itself and stay alert. Did you know this process is called brain cooling hypothesis? When you are tired, bored, or sleepy, your brain gets slightly warmer and slower. A big yawn pulls in a deep breath of air and stretches your jaw, which increases blood flow, just like a tiny reset button, because it helps you stay a little more awake and focused. That's also why yawning spreads so easily. When you see somebody yawning, your brain kind of copies it and reminds your body to stay alert too. Okay, did you learn something new? If yes, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.